Hi friends, Vinish Kaliga here from Team Kaliga, and we are having the Market Watch session on Facebook. It's live and you can ask me any questions if you want. And these are the market stats for the month of July 2021. Now let's look at in details what are these. So if you look at the average selling price in the Toronto Real Estate Board, and those were for the month of July 21 was over $1 million, and if you're looking at July 2020, that was 934. So we saw a significant number of jump in the average selling prices. But now when you look at the total number of sales activity, we see it only as 9,390 as a total number of sales activity. 2020 at 11,000. So less number of traction in market at this point of time. Well, still COVID is at the last leg of COVID. And if you look at the GDP growth, we are down by 5.7%. The employment rate is 11.8% up. Unemployment is 9.6%. If you see the inflation was 3.1%. Now Bank of Canada overnight lending rate is 0.25 and the prime was 2.45. And if you see the mortgage rates, and these are not discounted rates, but are for 1 year 2.79, 3 years 3.49, 5 years 4.79, and you get a discount over here when you buy homes. Now let's look at the next part. Now that's the market watch. Let's go down, and now this is the average for major homes, and we divide it into two categories when it comes to this, and those are either it's the 416 area or the 904 area. Now these are the sales and these are the average selling prices. Now if you see over here, the detached, the sales is 850 and the average is 1.6. The average price is 905 is 1.3. Now 416 area is predominantly the Toronto area, and the surroundings area of Toronto are called the 905 area, and these are the over percentage changes year on year. And if you see now, the average prices have gone up significantly up in the 905 area as compared to the Toronto area. Now obvious reason, offices are closed, many people want to live in the outskirts, and that's one of the reasons why you see a higher double-digit growth in the 905 area of Toronto. And let's dig into more. And these are the sales by house types. And we have the page number 3, which is but obvious is the summary of existing transactions. Now this shows us city-wise of number of average prices over here, and what's happening with the average prices. And if you see the number of total listings and selling to listing price, it says what is like the bidding going on now, and if you see the average days in market over here. Now this tells us which is the highest bidding. So if you compare this block, we have 113% over here, which is Ajax, which is over here, Charrington and Oshawa. So in the Durham region, these two top with 113% of sales active listings. And if you see the Halton, Oakville area, all are about 100%. So this gives you a clear idea. I know it's little not clear, but if you want a file, do call Vinish Kaliga. I can share you the whole file details to know where you can buy your next investment property or what is your market value of your existing home and the average selling price. Thank you so much for watching me on live on Facebook today, and Vinish Kaliga from Team Kaliga for selling your home at top dollars. Do call me at 647-667-4399 to subscribe me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok to know the latest market update. Thank you so much for watching my video. Vinish Kaliga from Team Kaliga. Thank you.